Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best ballroom dance accessories that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Cosmos 2 Pieces Dance Shoes Brush. If you're a ballroom dancer, you know how important it is to keep your suede-soled dance shoes clean and grippy. This product is a low-cost, yet effective solution to maintain your shoe's performance. The brushes are made of durable metal wire with a sturdy wooden handle, offering excellent build quality for long-term use. The package includes 2 brushes, so you'll always have a backup on hand. In terms of performance, the wire bristles are fantastic at removing dirt and debris from suede soles, restoring their grip and prolonging their life. A black bristle cover is included to ensure the brush doesn't accidentally damage your other belongings when stored. The compact size makes it easy to toss into your dance bag. While it's a very specialized tool, it's indispensable for dancers who rely on suede soles for smooth and controlled movements. As for the value, at just $9.99, this is one of the most cost-effective options for dance shoe maintenance. However, it might not be ideal for those who don't use suede-soled shoes. The main downside is that the metal bristles can be a bit harsh if overused, so you need to be careful not to damage your shoes. Overall, it's a simple, affordable, and effective tool for ballroom dancers who want to keep their shoes in top shape. At number 4, we have the Hair Accessories Kit by B1 Joni Y. This kit is perfect for dancers who need a reliable and organized way to manage their hair during performances. It includes an impressive 160 pieces, featuring bobby pins, U-shaped pins, hair ties, no-bend clips, and even hairnets. The standout feature here is the compact storage box that keeps everything neatly organized and easy to carry. In terms of design, the accessories are made of durable plastic and metal, ensuring they can handle the rigors of repeated use. The variety in the kit is a big plus. Whether you need heavy-duty pins for a secure updo or lightweight bands for a quick fix, you'll find what you need. The inclusion of a storage box is particularly helpful for travel or competitions, where keeping essentials organized can save precious time. For $11.99, this kit offers tremendous value, especially considering the quantity and variety of items included. It's an ideal choice for dancers, cheerleaders, or anyone who frequently styles their hair for performances. On the downside, the materials, while durable, are not premium grade, so they might not last forever. However, given the price and the convenience it offers, this kit is a fantastic addition to any dancer's toolkit. Coming in at number 3, we have the metatarsal pads by Walk-Eyes. If you've ever struggled with foot pain during a long night of dancing, these heel inserts are a game changer. Designed to provide all-day pain relief, these pads are made from soft, gel-based polyurethane with a cloth cover for added comfort. They are discreet, fitting snugly into most shoes without being noticeable. The standout feature here is the adhesive backing, which keeps the pads securely in place without damaging your shoes. Whether you're wearing high heels or dance flats, these inserts offer a cushioned, cloud-like feel that can make a world of difference during long performances or practice sessions. The one-size-fits-all design is another plus, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of footwear. At $13.97, these pads lean towards the higher end of the price spectrum, but the comfort and durability they provide make them worth the investment. The lifetime satisfaction guarantee is a nice touch, offering peace of mind for first-time buyers. The only downside is that they might not be as effective for individuals with severe foot conditions. However, for most dancers looking for added comfort, these pads are a fantastic choice. Number 2, we have the Hey Sandy Dance Shoe Covers. These are a versatile and budget-friendly option for dancers who want to adapt their regular sneakers for smooth floor movements. Made of durable fabric, these covers are stretchy enough to fit shoe sizes 5 to 14, making them a unisex product. They come in a set of 8 pairs, with a variety of colors to match your outfit or preference. What makes these shoe covers stand out is their ability to reduce stress on your ankles, knees, and hips while dancing. They allow you to spin and move effortlessly on smooth or wooden floors, making them ideal for ballroom, salsa, and even hip-hop dance classes. The lightweight design ensures that they don't add bulk to your shoes, and they're easy to clean and reuse. At just $9.99, these are the most affordable option on our list, yet they don't skimp on quality. The only downside is that they might wear out faster with heavy use, but given the price and the sheer quantity in the pack, they're still a fantastic deal. If you're looking for an economical way to enhance your dance experience, these are a must-have. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the Jackery non-slip shoe pads. This product is perfect for dancers who need reliable traction and protection for their footwear. The pack includes an incredible 36 pieces of suede fabric sole protectors, giving you plenty of replacements for long-term use. The adhesive backing makes them easy to apply, and they're pre-cut for convenience. The build quality is excellent, with smooth, durable suede material that can handle the demands of frequent dancing. These pads are versatile, fitting a variety of shoes including dance shoes, high heels, and even casual sneakers. Whether you're performing on a slippery stage or practicing on a polished floor, these pads help enhance grip and stability, reducing the risk of slips and falls. At $13.99, this is the most premium option on our list, but the value you get is undeniable. The sheer quantity and quality of the pads make them a worthwhile investment for serious dancers. The only downside is that the adhesive might lose its stickiness over time, but with careful application, this can be mitigated. If you're looking for the best of the best, the Jackery non-slip shoe pads are the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.